Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to edit this preset in Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, here are the featured comments for today. Please leave a comment below to get featured in my next video. Here are the before and after photos using Olympus preset. This preset will enhance the colors of your photos. It also features red, orange, and teal tones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more free Lightroom presets. Watch this video in YouTube app to get password. Password will appear like this. Let's start. Open your Lightroom and go to Lights tab. Adjust the exposure to positive 0.93. Contrast to negative 33. Let's bring down the highlights to negative 78. Shadows to positive 32. Whites to positive 9. And blacks to negative 12. I will go to the DNG file to copy the tone curve for a precise adjustments. I just paste it to the photos that we edit. Here are the adjustments in the tone curve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more free Lightroom presets. Let's proceed to profiles. In Colors tab, adjust the vibrance to negative 5. Let's also adjust the saturation to positive 9. Let's open the color mix. In red, adjust the hue to negative 10. Also adjust the saturation to negative 12. And luminance to positive 28. In orange, adjust the hue to negative 11. Saturation to negative 8. And adjust the luminance to positive 5. In yellow, adjust the hue to negative 49. Saturation to negative 49. In green, adjust the hue to -54. Saturation to -39. In aqua, let's adjust the hue to +51. Also adjust the luminance to +13. In blue, adjust the hue to +12. Bring down the saturation to -35. And adjust luminance to +6. In purple, bring down the saturation to -21. In magenta, bring down the saturation to -30. Let's proceed to the Effects tab. Adjust the clarity to +5. Also adjust the grain to 6. Here are the adjustments in the split toning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more free Lightroom presets. In Details tab, adjust the sharpening to 12. Adjust the noise reduction to 9. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more free Lightroom presets.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something bad.